guys, it's Kelden here. Today in this video, I'll be demoing my GameSearch API, which is also my web development API project. So this GameSearch project serves a purpose of giving the user have a look of the game information without going to the game's official website. So first of all, we can have a look over here. This is a search bar. First, we can try to search is the game that we wanted is in the database or not. In this case, we will search for a game called Dota 2. Yeah, if the game is not found, result will be show. So right now the result is not found, so we can request a new game into the database by clicking on this button. So we'll paste the game over here and then click on submit. The searching process will be started. Then if the game is found, it will add to the database and then display on the game card. So let me show you an example of what if the game is not found in this case. So we same, click on the request new game, then we'll enter a name that not a game, then click on submit, and then it will show an error message that this game is not found. Alright, the game is found, we can click on it and then you can see the information of it. Alright, then we can edit the information if we feel that it's not the right thing. So we can change the text. In this case, I'll just change something to text test. Then the gens, we can add some gens like adding MMO into it and then click on the save. Once the save button is clicked, the information will be changed, and then also at the database it will be changed. Let's click on the refresh and try again. Yeah, you see the summary has been changed, and then also the gens has been added one more MMO. Alright, then you can also delete the game by clicking on the delete button and then say done. And there the game will be deleted from the database and therefore not displaying anymore from the client side. And you can have a look on the database. It's the same, you refresh it, and yeah, voila, the game is disappear from the database. So in this assignment, two APIs are being used. One is from RAWG and another one is IGDB. So this is a create function. After retrieving the name of the game, it will go through the first search from RAWG and then giving a result, finding that if the game is exists in the database or not. If not, then it will go through other searching. If the result is not found in the database, then it will go through another searching for the game description over here. It will search for the description from IGDB to confirm that the game is exists. Then it will save to the database over here. Okay. Then if the ID is not found, then it will return some error message. Else it will save to the database. Okay. As for example, over here, you can use Postman to keep track of something. I'm searching for a game called Dota 2, like just now. I just send a request. This is a result. As you can see over here, since the game is not in the database, so it will just output the result, success result over here, which is all the data of the game. If we press it again, it will show some message that showing that the game is already exists in the database, like this one. Okay, this game is already exists in the database. Then while for the find game function is pretty much the same as the create function, but this find game function will be searching information from the database. So we can have a look on Postman here and change it. Find game name Dota and send, and it will search a result from the database and show to the user. If all this SIM card information will be displayed by a function called games, which will query all the games in the database. So you have a look over here. This is a game function mentioned just now. So it will, from the index, you use the find function and then sort the ID in descending order, and then we'll pass to the front end for the client side. Okay. In addition, there's an delete and update function. Delete function will be pretty much the same. We will retrieve the game's ID and then delete it. While for the update function, we will update the game's information based on the ID retrieved by the system. So if you want to delete a game, you can copy the game's ID manually, and then we'll just change it to delete, then ID equal to the ID we copied. Okay, then send request. So the game is deleted, and then will never be exist in the database anymore. You can have a look over here. Let me refresh a client side page. The game will be disappeared. Yeah. If you are interested with this GameSearch API code, I will have the GitHub link in the description below.